リスニング第3部。英文を聞き、その質問に対して最も適切な答えを選ぶ形式です。英文と質問は一度だけ読まれます。放送の間、メモを取っても構いません。回答時間はそれぞれ10秒です。では始めます。
第25回
Number 1. Kumiko works in Tokyo. Her favorite food is Italian. So last year, she took a trip to Italy to try the food there. In the city, she could use English. But in the countryside, few people could speak it. Now she is studying Italian in Tokyo. She plans to go back to Italy in the summer and use Italian this time. Question. What did Kumiko do last year? Number 2.
Paul bought a computer last week. At first, it worked well, and he enjoyed sending emails and using the internet. Then, it suddenly stopped working. He called the store, and they said they would fix the computer. Paul plans to take it back to the store on Saturday.
Question. What will Paul do on Saturday? Number 3. Richard loves playing soccer with his friends, and they often go to the park to practice together. Yesterday, his father had a surprise for him. He had bought tickets for a game next Sunday. Richard cannot wait to go with his father and support the local team. He has told all his friends about it. Question. What will Richard do on Sunday? Number 4.
Attention please, everyone. After lunch today, there will be a special meeting in the schoolyard. The principal will explain about the preparations for next week's graduation ceremony. Please be in the yard by 1 o'clock. Afternoon classes will start today from 1:30. Do not be late for the meeting.
Question. What must everyone do by 1 o'clock? Number 5. The world's tallest building is in Dubai in the Middle East. It is known as the Burj Khalifa, and it has 160 floors. There are many special things about this building. One is that it has a swimming pool on the 76th floor. This is said to be the highest pool in the world. Question. What is one thing we learn about the Burj Khalifa? Number 6.
Pauline lives in New York and works as a magazine writer. In high school, her best friend was Jean. One day, Pauline was very surprised to meet Jean in the office of her magazine. They had not seen each other for 5 years. Jean had applied for a job there. After Jean's interview, they went out for lunch together.
Question. Why was Pauline surprised? Number 7. The sport of rugby was started at an English school. Originally, boys could pick up the rugby ball, but they could not run with it. One day, a boy called Ellis started running with the ball, and other boys then copied him. Some people believe this was the start of the modern game of rugby. Other people think this story may not be true. Question: What does the speaker say about Alice? Number 8.
Hello, listeners everywhere. It's time to announce the winner of our holiday competition. The question was, who wrote the hit song, Imagine? We asked you to send us the answer on a postcard, and the first correct one came from Sydney Jones of Toronto. Sydney wins a holiday in Florida. Many congratulations. The correct answer was, of course, John Lennon.
Question: Why did Sydney Jones win a holiday in Florida? Number 9. Fiona went to a party last night. The party finished late, and Fiona found that she had missed the last bus home. She called her father, and he told her to find a taxi. In the end, she and 2 friends got one together and shared the cost of the fare. Question: How did Fiona get home from the party? Number 10.
Andy loves history. Last year, he went to a class every Saturday about the history of the town he lives in. He enjoyed learning about the town and all the old buildings it has. After the course finished, his teacher asked him if he would work as a guide. Now, on Sundays, Andy shows visitors around the town.
Question: What does Andy do on Sundays?